Why my wife is better than me? Goes to the ball, examines it, puts his finger in, walk up to the plate, and go!
Welcome back, my people. Look, man. Oh, it's cold as hell out here. Look where we coming. See, that's on you, babe. We coming to spare time entertainment, yo. All the way in Vernon, Connecticut. Peep out the vibe. It's date night with me and babe. Unless you like a whole Eskimo.
It's cold.
We men don't get cold. Shut up, shut up.
Yeah, but y'all men do get sick and act like babies.
Whatever, yo.
Oh, yeah.
Let me clip the little bogey. Hold on, man. The entrance is right there, man.
And I was looking at this, but it seems like hella dark. I don't know.
Boom.
Okay.
Jump cut. Yo, we in here, my people. We are number 18. We are. Well, we're in lane 18. Oh, look, people. About to be beasting it. We got an hour to play. So it was an hour for $39.99. The shoe, $6. No, wait, yeah, $6. It's straight. But I'm trying to get me a pizza though, do a full review right quick, but we'll see. That'll be a jump cut. There goes babe. There goes babe. Oh no, that's not me though. Oh my goodness, let's go! We're going to the gutter. Oh my god, don't tell me she's about to strike it. Oh no. You gotta hit, what, 3? Not even close. Not even close. Not even close. Jump up. That's it, right? Boom.
Oh, we got 7?
Boom, thank you.
Yeah, it's recording.
She didn't record me when I was beasting out there. See, she didn't want me to look good out here. It's like my 3rd time ever going bowling, so. Oh, she about to hit a strike. Oh! I think you're going into the gutter. You're going into the gutter, man. Look, she's going into the gutter, my friend. Gutter, gutter, gutter. Booyah. Watch your boy do it. Watch your boy do it.
You recording?
Yeah.
Okay. You said what now?
I think that doesn't count. I got the wrong ball.
We have the what one? The Akon?
Yeah. What happened was?
Is it the shoes?
Yeah, it's the shoes. Them shit hurting me. I got them in size 8. I'm a size 10. Nope. 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 I'm giving you hints how to do it, babe. gotta change my strategy. I can't be putting my little fingers in the hole, man. It should hurt my fingers. So it's gonna go right. Nope, not at all. I got you. Here I go. Balls are heavy as hell, though.
Sure. Whatever. See this guy? No, man. That's way too big. I think he needs a kitty one.
Not even. I gotta change my strategy. That's the problem. I gotta change my strategy. Hold on. Gotta change my strategy. Watch this. Got her. Here I go. Watch your boy though. Whatever. No, I'm just trying to show the people that you suck. Oh, she got it. She got it. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's my turn. Here I go.
Did he just put Old Nation? He put Old Nation. Sure. Whatever floats his boat. He's getting ready to bowl, and there he goes. He's gonna hit or miss. We don't know. Ooh, we got all of them now.
I got him.
All right.
I told you I had to change my strategy, cuz. I was holding it the wrong way. There goes Bay. There goes Bay. Wait, how is she winning? I don't get this. I don't know how this should go. Going right into the gutter. Boom, got her. Gutter.
Wow. Still want to know. He's getting ready to go. Here he goes. Is the gutter? One penny. One penny. Ladies and gentlemen, one penny. I think of my life right now. Wondering why I suck. Why my wife is better than me. Goes to the ball, examines it, puts his finger in, walk up to the plate, and go! He did a little better this time.
Suck at this game. We both suck at this game. But wait,
Oh, and look at this.
but how you winning?
Now, you don't suck.
Is this like golf? Like the lower the score, the better. I think that's how it goes. Look at that, Boom. Yo, I only did that one time. Oh, she got it this time. Oh, so close. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.